We're here at FMC Jabi, FCT Abuja, for another installation. Actually, this is a 300 liters capacity to be installed on this wall. The roof of this wall, that's where this installation is taking place. We're installing a 300 liters capacity of central solar water heater. Like I told us, see, there's no gainsaying that central solar water heater is the way to go. Let me tell you, for hot water, free hot water, seamless hot water, you get this hot water seamlessly. Surely as the sun rises, the sun hits the water inside the tube that will be connected to this densely insulated storage tank. This is a 300 liters capacity. This is 300 liters capacity. Now, these holes you are looking here, they are the holes where the evacuated glass tube will go into, and the water from the water source goes into this tank. It's like a flask containing the heated water that will be dispensed to various bathrooms for use. My name is Benny, solar water heater of Rodotrep Integrated Services Limited. We are Rodotrep and we are good at what we do. We're at FMC, like I said, for this installation. We're actually installing 2 units, but today we're installing the first unit for the ward, hospital ward. Like I said, central solar water heater is a device that heats water using energy from the sun. You don't require battery panel or inverter to get hot water. What you need is just sunlight hitting on the evacuated glass tubes, and it sends the heated water into this tank and preserve it for about 72 hours because of this insulation. Do not forget, we are Rodotrep and we are good at what we do. Call us on the following numbers displayed on your screen to schedule a visit, or you can schedule a visit to our office to give you a quote for central solar water heater. Remember, the smart ones are the ones that tilts towards alternative source of energy to heat water for themselves. We are Rodotrep and we are good at what we do. Thank you and God bless you.
Solutions designed for comfort and savings. We are Rodotrep and we are...
So now we're about taking the densely insulated storage tank up the roof to hang it so that the installation commence. You see, this is the tank.
Sales, service and trusted care. Energy savings everywhere. Savings everywhere. Stay warm.
But this is how the tank, the densely insulated storage tank of the solar water heater, is being taken up for upward installation on the roof. My name is Benny, solar water heater of Rodotrep Integrated Services Limited. We are Rodotrep and we are good at what we do.
Rodotrep Integrated Services. Hot water, lower bills, better living. Solar water heater solutions designed for comfort and savings. We are Rodotrep and we are good at what we do.